I am about to, I'm going to change rear display screen. So I have a heat gun set on low, and there's glue that's holding this together right here. This is a rubber seal. I'm not sure if I'm going to take that off or not, but I'm going to heat that perimeter around that rear screen up first. Heat setting is on low on the heat gun. You can actually use a hair dryer if you need to. I'm just going to heat it up. Get that glue soft. Just keep moving your gun, heat gun, so that you don't burn your GoPro up. I'm doing mine's on the GoPro 10. Funny story. I was in Florida and we were in one of the amusement parks, and they actually thought that my holder, my tripod was and he wouldn't even say the word. He thought it was a gun. And he say, excuse me, sir, is that and I said, no, sir, it is not. He said, okay. He said it has a neural grip on it, so I wasn't quite sure. I said, no, I've already been through security, so no, it is not. All right, it's gonna take a little pressure. Try and get into that crack right there. Try and separate that glue. All right, it's almost there. Starting to crack open a little bit right there, as you see. Just gotta loosen up some more of this glue around the other sides. Right there. Okay. Let's see what we got. There we go. There we go. Okay. Okay, I do not see where that one went, but I can pretty much there we go. Okay. So let's pull these two out. Let's see. Oh, level one. Level the other one. Okay, they press in. I'm gonna clean up these edges a little bit right here so that the new rear screen can sit flat on it. All right, get you a good view right here. Yeah. All right, let's clean up those edges. All right, let's go. Okay, I've gotten the back off, and now I have inserted the prongs right here onto the circuit board, and I put some of this heat tape on it. Now what I have to do is take this silicone. I'm going to use some marine fast cure to make it watertight. I'm going to go around these edges right here so that I can glue it onto the back of the main camera. All right, here we go. Okay, so one way is to get your epoxy or whatever it is you're using, and you're gonna guide it over the edge like this. Just like that. all the way down. Don't worry about the outside mess because you'll be able to clean it up later. Okay, this is going to make sure it sticks and that it's watertight. All right, you're going to go like that all the way around, fill in those gaps. All right, okay. Once you have put the glue all around it, the epoxy, just like this right here, you're going to apply pressure and you're going to get some tape that's not going to mess your GoPro up. So I use the blue painter's tape. You can use the green fogging tape, whichever one. And what you want is you want it to be pressed down so that your rear cover will be glued or epoxied back to the main frame of your camera. All right, so we're gonna let this dry. I think this Marine Cure says to dry, let's see, a few hours. But I am going to let it dry overnight. Okay, so I'll get back with you. Okay, I did a trial test while it's still taped up. As you can see, my screen is showing up through that tape. So connection seems to be good. So we're gonna go, after reading it was 24 hours. So we're going to attempt 24 hours and see what happens. All right. All right, everybody. 24 hours have passed, and I'm still going to keep this tape on until I actually use the GoPro because the harder this stuff get, the better. But let's put it to the test and let's see if everything is working properly. Hit the record button. And yes, oh yes, beautiful. Repaired that screen. All right, yes. And the front screen is working as well. And that is the full repair of the GoPro 10 rear screen. Deuces.